Hi everyone, it's Emily from Life So Savory, and today we're unboxing the new Stellaire XJ2. I'm super excited about this machine and the things that it can do. And while it's a bit of a chore to get all the things out of a box, there are so many amazing features and accessories that come with it. You are going to love it. So the first part is the embroidery hoops and the embroidery unit that snaps onto the machine. There are 4 hoops that come with this machine, and I'll tell you more about those later. Then the embroidery piece also comes with some stabilizer and some embroidery accessories that I can't wait to check out. All of the pieces and the functions and all of the details that are part of this machine. Now on to the actual sewing machine part. Again, it's so well protected. The accessory box is so cute. It took me a little bit to figure out that I had to slide actually both parts of the box, but once I slid both the front and the back, I was able to open it up and wow, look at all the feet that are included. I am going to be busy. Then there's stitch plates and power cords and so many fun things that go with all the features of this machine and so many things to try out, plus the instruction book. I will be reading this probably cover to cover to figure it out, and the move it foot, so many good things, lots of little pieces, have to keep everything straight while I'm pulling it out of the box. Then the machine is under all of these things, well wrapped and protected, as well as the supply case that goes on the sewing machine when you're not embroidering, and I like to put some of the basic feet in there, and the pedal, the foot pedal for this machine, plus the extra foot that can do some fun features. So I have to figure all that out. Take off the plastic, lift this heavy beast out of the box and put it on a secure table. Then you can remove the separate hoop, which I think it's 9.5 by 9.5, and that one's a great one. All the blue tape that kept everything in place, plus the under the presser foot, I had to do a quick check on the back, make sure there was no tape there, then plug in the foot and the power cord, turn it on, and we're ready to go. It did a quick little startup, and then the lights came on. The screen is so beautiful and large, and I just love all of the things that it has. And then I had to set up the clock. Of course, this is the first time turning on the machine, so it wanted me to get everything set and organized. I had to keep checking my watch to see what time it was, what the date was, but now it's all set up and ready to go. After that, it will want you to connect to the Wi-Fi, which is great because then you can use that for all the great features. So connect to your home Wi-Fi, and that was pretty easy to set up as well. Then I checked out the sewing. There are lots of so many amazing stitches in the sewing category, as well as embroidery. I can't wait to try out some of these designs. They look amazing. The Disney section is beautiful too. So many things to check out. And my hoops all slide right here on these little hooks on my pegboard, right by my machine. Easy to use and easy to store. And I'm so excited to check out all the fun embroidery and sewing I can do with this new machine. Here are some top things I want to share.
Okay, so I've just unboxed the new Stellaire XJ2 and I haven't really sewn too much on it. Now I have seen some demos and I did get to play around with it a little bit at the Brother Experience in August. So let me tell you my top 5 things that I'm excited about with the new Stellaire XJ2 before I've really used it. But here's my top 5 things that I'm so looking forward to using. 1. My design center. I have not had a machine that had this yet, but I have seen it used and it looks so amazing. So let me just give you a very basic demo of some of the things you can do. This is where you can actually edit, create, and design embroidery files that you're going to use. There's an app that goes with this that I have not downloaded yet, but you can use that to take pictures of things that are in your hoop or designs, and you can import them here and manipulate it. But let's just take a look at some of the built-in things that we can take a look at here. So I'm just gonna choose a very basic teardrop, and I want it filled in. So we're gonna go with that. Now I can look at the fill designs. We can select the fill designs to edit all the things that are in here. So let's take a look at what we've got. So here's what's in here now, but I wanna change the fill design. Let's just click on that. And up here you can see basic fill, and then we have some different designs. Well, I wanna do something creative. So let's take a look at all the different designs that we can. So many fun things. Okay, so this checker looks really cool. If I select that, hit OK, now my design is filled with that. And I can do that on so many different shapes. And that's just one of the little things about Design Center, but I'm excited about it because I haven't really gotten a chance to play around with embroidery functions such as this. So I'm super excited about my Design Center. 2. Another thing that I love about this machine and all Brother Wi-Fi enabled machines is being able to use Artspira. So see this cool little mask? I'm able to transfer it with a single touch right to my machine, and there it is, ready to be embroidered or edited, add to the design, whatever I want to do, easily ready to go. Love it. 3. Next up on my list is directional sewing. I had this on my former machine and I absolutely loved it. It's perfect for sewing on patches or doing mending, fixing leggings, small areas that you can't normally get into. The directional sewing saves the day. So you go into sewing, the number 5 here, that's the direction, and you can see all the different directions. I can sew both zigzag and straight stitch in lots of different directions, and it's a great way to be able to sew on nearly anything. 4. Another feature that I've been super excited about since I saw it demonstrated in August is the couching feature, and I'm so excited to show you how easy it is. I set this up in about 2 minutes, and here we go. And finally, last but not least, the embroidery size and selection on this machine is amazing. So you already saw me use the 5x7 hoop for the couching. It comes with that. It also comes with this huge 9.5 by 14 hoop. It comes with this small 4x4 hoop for your small designs or baby projects. And then it comes back with a 9.5 inch square hoop for those unique shaped projects, especially clothing. This fits nicely right inside when you're making that. So all of these hoops, so fun to be able to work with, plus amazing built-in designs, including line art, fonts, you name it, it's probably built into here, and I'm excited to try them all out. All right, that's my top 5 look at the things I'm excited about with the new Stellaire machine XJ2. I'm just 1 day into this. Can you imagine how many things I'll be excited about in about a week or a month or a year? The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to get creating.